Have you ever tried skimming through 2 hours worth of reading assignments 30 minutes before class starts and dreamed you could just listen to it on your commute? Or have you ever wished it was possible to speed read through your professor's class materials and retain all that you learned more effectively? Well, you're in luck because Ally makes this and more possible just for you. Introducing Ally Tutorial for Students. Ally is an integrated tool that creates alternative formats such as audio, electronic braille for students with visual impairments, readable text for screen readers, pictures with captions, and easy-to-navigate content. From a course, click on any section that your instructor uploaded content to from the course menu. If enabled, Ally's alternative format icon will appear for each uploaded document. Click on it. Select a format from the list and click the Download button. The file is now downloaded onto your device and is fully accessible. It's as simple as that. With Ally, you have a great tool in hand to further enhance your learning experience and multiple options that meets your needs and daily life activities.